Hello from the Boynton Beach City Library. I'm Christina. Today I will show you how to make a dream catcher. This could be a wonderful gift or for decoration. Supplies include a wood hoop, ribbon, scissors, yarn, regular glue and hot glue, beads, and feathers. Let's get started. First, wrap the hoop with ribbon. Secure the ends with hot glue. Next, make the web of the dream catcher. This hoop has a diameter of 6.5 inches. It will take about 6 feet of yarn to make the web. Start by securing the yarn to the hoop with a double knot. Move a few inches down the hoop. Wrap the yarn around the hoop and back through. And pull tight. Continue this process until you're back to your starting point. Now, continue to loop the yarn through each opening and pull tight in the center. As the center gets smaller, decide where to stop, and then you'll tie a knot to secure. To make the feather decorations, glue 2 feathers together and then glue to the end of a piece of yarn. Decide how long you want the decoration to hang. To thread the yarn through the beads, use some glue to make a stiff end. To hang the dream catcher, secure the other end of the piece of yarn with some hot glue. And we're finished! Thanks for watching!